Hey guys, this is Brian's wife. I'm going to walk you through making a charcuterie board. You grab some wood stuff and you line it up. You get 4 pieces and you put it on a table, and then you get your camera and you move one because that one didn't make the team. And then you take a measuring stick and you measure it and you draw a little line, and then you draw a bigger line, and then you take it to the back table and you cut it and make sure you screw the little knobby knob. And then you find a friend, you bring the wood friend over, and then you make sure that they fit. So, because your friends have to fit you, because then you cut your friend, and then you bring it over, and then look, it aligns. It's a soulmate. They love each other, together forever. And so then you take it over to the little planer thing, I think it's called, and then you go zoom, 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 and then you put it back on the table, and then you touch it, and yep, still soulmates, still in love, and thumbs up. That's right, Brian. And then you put tape on it because you want to make sure that they stay together, and then they're protected from stuff and the UV rays. I don't know, I'm making things up. You put sunscreen lotion on them, and you rub it on the sides, and it's probably wood glue now that I think of it. And then you make a little table for your wood, and you clamp it, and then you put little tighteners things to make sure that the wood dries or something, and then you tighten it. Make sure that you tighten those knobs pretty tight, and then you get a little scraper. You scrape off the excess glue, and then you run around, grab some extra sawdust, pinch it in like Salt Bae, then rub it down. That's right. You blow on it, and then you grab your camera, and you take a little nice Instagram shot. And then you take off the clamps because by now it should be dry. Make sure you take it off. Let's see, did it dry? Yes. And so you take your sander and then you sand it. Go left, right. You just keep doing it until it's like super, super smooth. And then you like rub the sides and stuff. And then you sand it again because who doesn't like sanding? And then you think about what you're going to make, then you trace it, and then you keep coloring because coloring is fun and it helps you. And then so you draw out your favorite design, and then you cut it, and then you make sure that you don't cut off your fingers because that's expensive, especially if you have no insurance or a high deductible. So then you keep cutting, and then you're almost done, so hang in there, guys. Make sure you're taking notes. And then you grab your little screw thing, and then you make a little hole so you can have like a little handle. And then you're going to do my favorite part. Wait, nope, not my favorite part. I don't know, we are still cutting and sanding because we have to make sure it's perfect. So you have to go along the sides, make sure it's smooth, and then make sure that you rub it down with a yellow thing, and that just like Brian's doing there. And look at his bracelets. He has man bracelets. And then you water pop it. I know what water popping means because I listen sometimes when Brian talks to me. So then you water pop it to see what it would look like when it's finished. Get a little glimpse, a little sneak peek. And then you sand it again, and you use your little hand sander, and you just keep doing it until it's smooth like a baby's bottom. And then you take your cattle brand and you make it really hot, and then you're going to put it on the wood. And if you're really, really brave, you can also give you and your friends a tattoo, and that's a cheap way of doing that. And so then you get your wood all ready, you put some water on it, and then you put it on, and you get Brian's specialty made oil rub down. And you don't get a Brian rub down, you just get the Brian oil, but you can rub it down on your stuff, and then it actually makes stuff really soft. He let me have some for my boards, and then you show it off. Look, guys, we did it! Yay! You wiggle your charcuterie board at the end for fun. We did it. So that's how you make a charcuterie board. Don't forget to follow me for more useful tips.